Still relying on a paper process for operators to capture important recordings of data? Are you struggling with accuracy of operators signing off in your production process? I'm Michael Jewson. I'm a senior solution architect at Engineering Industries Excellence. I've helped manufacturers in all industries roll out SAP Digital Manufacturing in complex and regulated environments. One recurring challenge we see is ensuring that operators on the shop floor are properly documenting their process steps and recording important data as it occurs. It is also important to ensure that operators are taking accountability and verifying their steps through a sign-off process. In one of our projects, we leveraged the SAP Digital Manufacturing Production Process Designer and the electronic signature modules to ensure that operators were following business processes by properly documenting and signing off of their work before allowing them to complete a phase in the manufacturing process. The result was invaluable by management and the quality team to ensure important data is collected and operator accountability was in place. It was also helpful in that within the manufacturing environment, papers can get lost and damaged, and operators' handwriting may not be legible. Should an operator forget to record the results, it may be days before it is caught, and that information could be forgotten. Here, we will show from the operator's perspective the production operator dashboard, or POD, that contains a shop order awaiting to be completed at a phase in the process. The operator will not have the correct data collected or have signed off on their work when the complete button is pressed. SAP Digital Manufacturing will display an error message to the operator for each of these. Here, I will perform the complete. As you can see, the data has not been properly collected at this phase in the process, and the operator is alerted. Once the data has been collected, SAP Digital Manufacturing will show that it has been completed. Here, we will enter valid values for the data collection at the phase in this process. Now that the data has been entered, we can press the complete button again. We can see that the electronic signature is still required and needs to be signed off of their work. Therefore, the operator is displayed another error message when the complete button was pressed. Here, we'll have the operator enter in their electronic signature. Now that the electronic signature has been verified, the operator can now press the complete button. Now that all the business process rules have been satisfied for this phase in the manufacturing process, the operator is now able to complete this phase. As you can see, this phase status is now set to done. One thing I always recommend is to leverage technology to put into place checks and balances to enforce business processes, as well as to remove as much paper from the shop floor to increase the overall quality of your product. That's a quick take from the field. Follow us for more insights from our engineering index experts.